I'll be explaining the complementary and the supplementary angles. Now, for the complementary angles, we say that two angles with a sum of 90 degrees. And one good thing about this is that these two angles form a right angle. Now let me show you what it looks like. Now, if this is angle A and this is angle B, we say that this is a right angle triangle if angle A plus angle B equals to what? 90 degrees. Now, let's have an example to illustrate what we mean. So here we have an example. Let's consider this right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Now, let's this to be theta and this to be 60 degrees. We are looking for what is theta. So here our objective is to calculate angle theta. Now, to calculate angle theta here, don't forget that the rule says that the sum of two angles must be equals to 90 degrees. So here we have theta plus 60 degrees equals to 90 degrees. So here we have theta to be what? 90 degrees minus 60 degrees. So here theta should be what? 30 degrees. So this is the complementary angle, which is very easy to do. Now let's proceed to supplementary angles. So here we have the supplementary angles. Now, for the supplementary angle, here we say that two angles with a sum of 180 degrees. And this form a straight line. So for supplementary angles, we have something like this. We have a straight line. Okay. And here you can have a transversal line bisecting, dividing it into two. So this is an angle, this is an angle. So here we have angle A, here we have angle B. So for the property of supplementary angle, the rule is that here angle A plus angle B must be equal to 180 degrees. Now let's have an example 2. So we have example 2. For example 2, let's have a straight line. And here we have another line bisecting this. So here we have angle A unknown, angle B to be 30 degrees. What is angle A? Now for us to determine angle A, we have this to be sum of the two angles must be equals to 180 degrees. And here we have A equal 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. So we have our A to be equals to 150 degrees. So this is where we're going to stop now. In our next episode, we'll be looking at some other forms of angle. Follow for more. Thank you.